I'm going to show you how you can remove the bullet spread on the ranged weapons on R.E.P.O. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So as you probably know, all the weapons on R.E.P.O. will have a bullet spread, which means that the bullet won't really go where you are aiming at. So for example, let's do the test with the trunk gun. You can see how the bullets go on different directions. Same thing with the gun. So if you are far away, the bullets will go, you will see how that one went right there. So with the method I'm going to show you today, this won't happen and the bullet will go directly where you are aiming at. So this is before doing the method, and now let's see the changes after the method I'm going to show you. Just a quick break, I want to let you know that 99% of you are not subscribed yet, and it will really mean a lot to me. So it just takes one click and it will help me a lot. I will be uploading a lot of tutorials and guides about R.E.P.O, so don't forget to subscribe if you find my videos useful. So to remove the bullet spread, all you need to do is go to this website called thunderstar.io, which is a website that will allow you to download mods for your games. So there is a mod that will remove the bullet spread. To install it, you need to go to communities, then view all communities and search for R.E.P.O right here. Now select the game and just search for bullet. So this way the mod should appear. It's this one called No Gun Spread, which will remove the inaccurate bullet spread from all guns. So if you click there, you will see the option for the manual download. Just click here, this is completely free, and save the file. You will also need this library, which is required for most of the mods on R.E.P.O. So click here and click on manual download as well. And now once you have VP-Next back, you will need to open the file and you will see all these files. So open the folder, and those are the important files. You need to right click and copy, and we need to paste them on the game's root folder. So to find R.E.P.O's folder, all you need to do is go to your file explorer and find it wherever you have downloaded it if you don't have it on Steam. And if you have it on Steam, you just need to open it, go to library right here and search for R.E.P.O. Right click it, go to manage and browse local files. This way it will open the game's root folder where we can just right click and paste the files we just copied earlier, which are right here. So you can either do that or select them and drag them inside the folder. Now you will need to open R.E.P.O once, so it will automatically create all the necessary files and folders on VP-Next pack to begin installing the mods. Once you open it, you can just close it. And now if we go back to the game's root folder, go to VP-Next and plugins, you will see the folder is empty, and this is the folder where we need to add the plugin we just installed or the mod. So open the file and you will see this application extension. This is the type of the file. So this is the mod. You don't need to do anything with these three files. We just need this one, so copy it or drag it and drop it inside the plugins folder. And now we can open R.E.P.O again and the mod should be working fine. As you can see, this CMD will appear where it says No Gun Spread, which means the plugin has been loaded correctly. So let's go to a game and let's see how it looks like. So that's it. Now if we get our gun or our weapon and we try to shoot, we can see how it's much more accurate right now and the bullet will go where you are aiming at. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.